How to upload music to Spotify. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily add music and songs from your device to Spotify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and if this tutorial helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to get notified whenever we post new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Spotify app. Once you're on Spotify, tap on Settings. Scroll down till you find Local Files. Under Local Files, turn this on to add tracks from your device to your Spotify library. Tap Allow. Find your tracks on Spotify. Tap on the library. Here you will find the Local Files folder pinned on top. Also, one thing you should keep in mind is that this will only work if you listen to those songs on your phone only. That's why it says Local Files. Other people can search for or listen to these songs on Spotify. If you want to upload your songs to Spotify so people can search for and find them, you will need to upload to an online music distributor company that will help you to upload music to Spotify. I can show you that procedure right now. You can look it up on Google or search it on YouTube. There are many articles and videos showing how to do it. And if you want, you can also unpin the local folder. To unpin it, just press and hold the folder and tap on Unpin Playlist. So this is how you can upload music to Spotify.